Hello again everyone. Today we're going to be changing the cabin air filter in this 2021 Chevy Blazer. First thing you need to do is open this glove box, push the button, and then remove everything inside. It's a good time to clean out your glove box and throw away any junk that you may have. Now that we have everything out of there, we can pop this dampening mechanism off here. Just pull it away. Just like that. That's what cushions the fall of the glove box. Now we have these stops, this one here and this one over here. So what you need to do is just pull in like that. Same with this side. And then the glove box will fall down. That exposes the cabin air filter door. Okay, I'm going to pick up the glove box and just move it away. It gives me more room here to work. Alright, we have a little screw here. It's a T20 torque screw. We need to remove that to get this cover off. It's rare to see hardware holding the cabin air filter cover on. Okay, be careful not to lose it. Set it aside. And you see on the right side here, so what you have to do is push it in like this and then pull the door towards you gently, and there we have our cabin air filter. This is the original ACDelco filter. Alright, there's the part number, and it's made in USA. Also take note of the airflow direction, these arrows. Make sure you put the new one in like that. So go ahead and grab a hold of this thing. Just pull it straight out. It's a little tough to get your finger under there, but you can do it. Alright. That's it. It's not too bad. We have some debris in here. Bugs and dirt and whatnot. It is dirty though, so we are going to go ahead and put a new one in. Here's a new air filter I chose. FRAM titanium. Here's your part number. Let's go ahead and open it up here. It is made in USA. There's our airflow direction down. So this part would go up. The blue part would be facing up. This is what the underneath looks like. And here is our old filter from ACDelco. And they do look very similar in size. So that's a good thing. Let's go ahead and install. Go ahead and put this up into position here. Gently slide it in. I actually went ahead and wrote on here the part number and the airflow direction, and I also put the date on there. You can see a little better now. You don't have to do that, that's just me. Alright, time to put this cover back on. So, if you look on this left side here, this part goes over top of that little notched black plastic piece there. So you got to kind of hook it like that and then swing this right side over. Just push it straight in. You'll hear it click into place there. So that's good. All we need to do is add this screw. Probably don't even need this screw, but we're going to put it back in anyway. It's odd that this is like this. Don't come across too many like this. Okay, this is very easy to put on. All you need to do is put the bottom parts on that hinge there, and it just swings up. So you'll have to connect this here on the side. Just like that. You'll hear it snap into place. And then you have this stop here and on the left here. So if you just push firmly, it will go past that plastic frame of the dash, but it'll give you some resistance. So you just have to kind of, squeeze this in and then pull it in, and then it will go up into place. Just like that. Well guys, that completes the video. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you liked it. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.